Indian enterprises are facing extremely challenging times, economic instability, increasing investor scrutiny, increasing regulatory requirements, and operating in a global environment. In these kind of demanding times, a dynamic leader is required to combat challenges and to think of new business models, strategies, and innovative ideas to help their organizations stay profitable. Taking this into perspective, 24MRC Network, a leading media and market research company, organized 2015 Leaders Awards recently in Delhi to recognize the leadership qualities of people who lead their organizations to perform outstandingly well. The awards recognize achievements across various sectors in wide categories.
So the very first sector, ladies and gentlemen, is the healthcare sector. And as I mentioned, across various sectors, we recognize individuals as well as the organizations. The very first award is the most promising healthcare leader for marketing of the year. And the award goes to Mr. Sameer Bhati. The next category is the most promising healthcare leader for spine treatment in Delhi NCR, and the award goes to Dr. Sanjay K. Rajan. To the next sector, this is the education sector, and here we recognize the most promising education institute brand in India, and undoubtedly, ladies and gentlemen, it goes to Ryan International Group of Institutions. The next award is to the most admired education institute brand for training and placement in Uttar Pradesh. Recognizing here, ladies and gentlemen, SR Group of Institution, Lucknow. The next award is for the most promising education institute brand in Maharashtra, and the award goes to Surya Datta Education Foundation. Still in the education sector, we now have the most admired edupreneur of the year, and the award goes to Commander Mr. Bhushan Devan. Now move on to the manufacturing sector. So recognizing first in the manufacturing sector the most promising manufacturing brand for coins and medals in India, and the award goes to India Government Mint from Mumbai. We move on to the next award. This is the most promising manufacturing brand for leather footwear of the year, and that's Liberty Shoes Limited. The next award is to the most promising manufacturing brand for safety of electrical equipments in India, and the award goes to SJ Switchgears Private Limited.
The next award is to the most promising manufacturing brand for solder wire and fluxes in India, and the award goes to Khanna Traders and Engineers. The next award is to the most promising manufacturing brand for woven polymer based products in India, and the award goes to EMMBI Industries Limited.
The next award is to the most admired manufacturing brand for solar panel in India, and the award goes to Waaree Energies Limited. The next award is for the fastest growing manufacturing brand for sleep solutions in Madhya Pradesh, and the award goes to Luxure India Inc.
It's very unfortunate that even after 68 years of independence, we do not have tertiary and emergency healthcare services in our small towns and district headquarters of India. And that is what we are trying to do. We are trying to get these healthcare services into the smaller towns and the district headquarters, like a neurosurgery or a cardiac catheterization lab or a modular OT or a dialysis service or a well-equipped ICU. Thank you very much 24 MRC for recognizing us. Thank you very much Bloomberg for recognizing the work that we are doing.
We really have the pride that India Government Mumbai and our other beings across the country of making circulation coins for each and every citizen of the country. We feel pride that each and every citizen has some of our coins in their pocket, and it is a real recognition for all of us that today we have been awarded.
MBs are mainly focused on the production and manufacturing of woven polymer based products. We are present in 51 countries through us, and we got the technology for taking care of the harvest and the field crops like grapes and pomegranates in India. Especially I am very glad that through this media people and farmers of India will come to know about us and our product, and they will be able to take equal benefit as any other global farmers which are taking from us.
Suryadatta philosophy is to offer quality education for holistic development at affordable fees. We confer education in the field of business management, interior designing, fashion designing, media and mass communication, event management. We also have a junior college, CBSE school, hotel management. Our philosophy I have already explained. Our main mission is to give education to all.
We move on to the next sector. This is the IT sector. The very first is the most admired brand for technology in India, and the award goes to National Informatics Center. have the next IT award. We are joined from the healthcare sector. That's the fastest growing healthcare brand for multi-speciality hospital in Delhi NCR. The award goes to Cygnus Medicare Private Limited. Come back to the IT sector, and here recognizing now the fastest growing brand for application services in India. The award goes to Caritor Solutions India Private Limited. The next award is a most admired brand for information technology consulting in India, and the award goes to GSS Infosoft Private Limited. Recognizing the power of the digital media, and within that recognizing the fastest growing brand for digital media in Delhi NCR. The award goes to Concept Webadvertisement. The fastest growing brand for web designing in Chandigarh, recognizing the work and the contribution and the achievement of AMS Informatics. To the next award. This is the most promising brand for web development of the year, and the award goes to SB Web Solutions Private Limited.
We have innovated a new brokerage plan wherein client can trade unlimited for a month for just ₹750. It has revolutionized the entire brokerage industry in India. We thank 24 MRC and Bloomberg TV for giving us the award. It will motivate us to work more harder, and we hope we should be one of the best brokerage and respected brokerage house in world.
We have been awarded as the fastest growing manufacturing brand in Madhya Pradesh for sleep solutions. I started this industry as mere 15,000 rupees, and now we have a dealer network of 64 dealers across the country, and we have a customer base of 1,000 customers. The need of the client has been changed from the basic needs to luxury needs, and we are trying to cater that. In turn, we are providing luxury to the customer for the products, and we started this organization in the same relation.
From the IT sector, we now move on to another sector, which is today is definitely a sunshine sector. That's the real estate sector. In fact, the largest employment generation is happening now after agriculture from the real estate sector. And with the huge infrastructure which is in the planning, is on the cards, this sector is going to be further growing. So we see the potential in this sector, and we recognize people who are adding more and more to this sector. First, recognizing here the real estate most enterprising CMD of the year. The award goes to Dr. Anup Kumar Mittal. to the next award in the sector real estate, we have the fastest growing brand for interior contracting in Tamil Nadu, and the award goes to Woodcraft Design. The next award is to the fastest growing brand for ceiling and flooring in Delhi NCR. The award goes to Acosta Exim Private Limited. Delhi, we move on to a state which again is seeing a lot of development, a lot of growth, and that's Madhya Pradesh. So we recognize here the fastest growing real estate brand
for construction in Madhya Pradesh. The award goes to Convenient Construction and Consultancy Private Limited.
The next award and to the next sector, the hospitality sector. So we recognize people who are doing a commendable work in the hospitality sector, the most admired brand for hospitality of the year. Recognizing here Ambrosia Bliss. To the next sector, which forms the backbone of any economy, the finance sector. So the very first award is the fastest growing brand for financial solutions in India. The award goes to Resurgent India Limited. Here we recognize the most admired brand for financial solutions in West Bengal. From West Bengal, recognizing Achievers Equities Limited. We have now the most promising brand for water treatment in India, and the award goes to High-Tech Sweet Water Technologies Private Limited. We now have the most admired brand for affordable renewable energy solutions in Maharashtra, and the award goes to Omega Natural Polarity Private Limited. Move on to the next award. This is the fastest growing brand for HR services in Delhi NCR. And the award goes to Enlight Consulting Services. The next award is the fastest growing consultancy brand for human resources in Delhi NCR, and the award goes to Defined Values Consultants Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, the last category of this evening, that's the travel and tourism sector, and here recognizing the most promising brand for travel and tourism in India. We recognize Easy Trip Planners Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, the last award of the evening, that's the most promising brand for tourism in Maharashtra, and the award goes to Ashish Holidays.
We develop a lot of e-commerce solutions. We are a one-stop shop for all e-commerce solutions, including support, supply chain management, applications, and the services. And with this award, we have been recognized that one of the leading providers on the e-commerce, and we have more than about 5 leading brands of India with us working on this platform.
We provide HR and technology services to all kind of operations from startups to large MNCs. Thank you so much, organizers, for this award.
The award ceremony concluded with a speech by the chief guest, former Chief Minister of Uttarakhand and MP, Bhagat Singh Koshyari.
जो आप लीडर्स हैं इन डिफरेंट फील्ड्स, अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में, आप चाहे हेल्थ केयर के क्षेत्र में हो, शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में हो, डिजिटल के क्षेत्र में हो, आप सब लोग वास्तविक सेंस में, सही अर्थों में आप लोग लीडर हैं। लीडर माने कोई जो आजकल नेताजी कहलाते हैं वो लीडर नहीं है। हर फील्ड में, हर क्षेत्र में कहीं न कहीं किसी को लीड करना पड़ता है। अभी किसी ने बताया कि 50 रुपये से मैंने काम शुरू किया, आज मैं 5 करोड़ का टर्नओवर हो रहा है। किसी ने कहा मैंने 15 रुपया लिया और मेरा कितने 100 करोड़ का बिजनेस हो गया है, टर्नओवर हो गया है। सचमुच ये बहुत ही उत्साहवर्धक है। और मेरे जैसे जो राजनीतिक क्षेत्र में और सामाजिक क्षेत्र में काम करने वाले लोग हैं, हम सब लोग जो काम करते हैं उसका आधार आप जैसे लोग हैं जो अलग अलग फील्ड्स में काम करते हैं। और अलग अलग फील्ड्स में एक तो काम होता है कि रेगुलर खेती कर रहे हैं तो कर रहे हैं, एक काम यह होता है कि नहीं, हमको कुछ इनोवेशन करना है, हमको कुछ नया करना है। तो इसलिए आप लोग अलग अलग फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं और ऐसे फील्ड के लोगों को सम्मानित करना, मैं तो चाहता हूं कि हमारे मुमताज साहब से हमारी गवर्नमेंट भी कुछ सीखे और आप लोगों का भी सम्मान गवर्नमेंट भी करे, और तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा। और निश्चित रूप से क्योंकि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी कहते हैं मेक इन इंडिया, और आप लोगों ने भी मेक इन इंडिया बहुत सीख लिया है और उसमें आप लोग लगे हैं, अच्छा है। और मैं कभी कभी कहता हूं कि हम मेक इन इंडिया से आगे कब बढ़ेंगे, जब हम ये कहेंगे कि बाय इंडियन बी इंडियन। अगर हम इस स्टेज पर पहुंच गए, बी इंडियन बाय इंडियन, तो इसका अर्थ यह है, पर ये कब होगा? When you fulfill that slogan, make in India.